G'day cocktail lover, what can I get for you today? I was thinking about something themed around April Fool's Day. Are there April Fool's cocktails? Well, there's a few drinks I've seen made as April Fool's pranks. My favourite drink related prank is to give a vodka drinker a glass of chilled water and tell them it's the purest vodka in the world and only true vodka connoisseurs can appreciate it. Wow, you are really not letting the vodka thing go, are you? No, I am not. But there's another good April Fool's drink. This was suggested by Rob of Rob's Home Bar. A reverse old fashioned. How do you make a reverse old fashioned? It's 2 ounces of bitters with a few dashes of whiskies. Then you serve that in an orange and garnish it with a shard of glass. And this was served in a bar? Not really. It was suggested by a friend who has a YouTube channel. Rob's Home Bar is a YouTube channel, not an actual bar. Ah, that's right. You have a YouTube channel as well, don't you? Yes, and you're subscribed, aren't you? Let's say yes. Good. But if you want to do something for April Fools, I want to do something more than just a joke drink. What did you have in mind? I want to play a game. Gotta tell you, that's really disconcerting. I assure you, perfectly safe. We're going to play Russian roulette. Well, that is not safe. Don't be such a baby. We're not using bullets. We're using alcohol. This is still not sounding safe. Let me explain the rules. This is blue curacao, a relatively low alcohol, sweet liqueur. Very yummy, easy to drink. This is blue absinthe, 80% alcohol. Not quite a bullet, but it can give you a feeling like having the back of your head blown out for sure. Ugh, I have a bad feeling about where this is going. In front of you, you'll see 6 shot glasses, all with a blue drink in them. 5 of them are the easy to drink blue curacao. 1 is the considerably more dangerous blue absinthe. You need to pick one and knock it back. This is really not a normal bar. No argument there. Time to choose. Do you feel lucky, punk? Okay then. And what? Oh God! It was the absinthe. That was the absinthe. Oh. April Fool. They were all absinthe. I just wanted to see the look on your face when you had to do the shot. April Fool, you. I like absinthe. Whatever. That's $20 for the shot, mate. Sure. Wait, you didn't say April Fool that time. No way. $20. Pay up. Hi, kids. We had a lot of fun here today, but it's important to know if you're doing an April Fool's prank, you should make sure you aren't actually hurting anyone. And it's important to never give someone more alcohol than they think they're getting. In a lot of jurisdictions, that's a crime. And where it isn't a crime, it's a dick move. So this April Fool's Day, don't hurt anyone, don't be a dick.